Okay guys, I am just doing some freshening up in my bedroom and I want to show you this beautiful vase and these artificial stems. Check out this vase close up. It is so gorgeous. It's like this fluted matte ceramic. It's so pretty and just like a really nice modern look to it. And I absolutely love these stems as well. They have such a realistic look with these branches being brown and they've got really nice like different tones of green. You can see that. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it in the room. It just looks so pretty and I've gotten so many compliments. And so I wanted to buy it again for another spot in my house. So let's just take a look at it in place. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is just one set of greens. I did buy two because I thought I would need two. Ended up only needing the one. And they actually are really long. So I ended up folding them inside this vase to make them work with this size of vase, but I just think they're so pretty and just have a really nice, realistic, natural, kind of organic, modern look. And look at that vase. It's just stunning. So yeah, I would highly recommend this. I think it really does elevate my decor here with my kind of Danish modern dresser. So pretty. Love it.